In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retouch in GIMP. By the end, you'll know how to clean up small blemishes and distractions quickly and naturally using one simple tool without over-editing or losing skin texture. First, get your photo open in GIMP. Go to the File menu at the top and choose Open. Navigate to the image you want to retouch, select it, and load it into your workspace. Give it a second to appear, and make sure you're looking at the area you plan to fix. A clear, well-lit photo will give you the best results, and it's always smart to take your time so the retouching stays subtle and realistic. Next, select the Heal tool. You can find it in the toolbox, or just press the H key to switch to it right away. The Heal tool is designed to blend imperfections into the surrounding skin by borrowing texture and tone from a clean area. It's smarter than simple copying because it adapts what you sample to match the place you're fixing. Before you start removing anything, choose a good source area. Hold the Control key and click on a patch of clean, healthy skin that's close to the blemish. Picking a nearby spot matters because the color and texture will be more similar, which keeps the result seamless. Avoid sampling across strong edges like hairlines, lips, or shadows, because that can introduce odd streaks or mismatched tones. If you move to a new part of the face or the lighting changes, sample again the same way. Hold Control and click a new clean area. Resampling often prevents repeating patterns and keeps your edit looking natural. Now, start fixing the problem areas. With the Heal tool active and your source set, click directly on pimples, small spots, or fine wrinkles to remove or soften them. Use a brush size that's just a little larger than the blemish, so you cover it in one clean click. If a mark is stubborn, try a couple of light clicks instead of one heavy one. Work methodically and zoom your view as needed, so you're precise, but avoid dragging long strokes across the skin, which can blur texture. If something doesn't look right, press Undo and try sampling a different nearby area. That's the entire workflow. Open your image, select the Heal tool, set a clean source with Control-click, and click on the imperfections to make them disappear. Keep the changes gentle, resample as you go, and you'll end up with a polished, natural-looking result.